Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you are new here, my name is Summer, welcome. And in today's video, we are going to be going over 5 easy ways, some things that you can do just at home to get nice white teeth. So a few of you have asked me how I keep my teeth so white. Do I whiten them? You know, stuff like that. So there's 5 ways how to get nice, shiny, bright, white, feeling good teeth. Let's get to it. All right, number 1, this is the most simplest, easy way to start to get nice white teeth. All you have to do, believe it or not, is just brush your teeth twice a day. Now, some of you might already be thinking, well, Summer, I do brush my teeth twice a day, so how is this gonna help? Well, a lot of people don't brush their teeth twice a day, but you need to be brushing morning and nighttime. The reason why is because all throughout the day, you know, you're eating stuff, you're building up plaque on your teeth. What is plaque? It's basically just a bunch of bacteria that collects on your teeth, especially around the gum line. When that does sit there, you can actually see it on people. I have spoke to people before and I can see it on their teeth. You can notice it. It's not the same nice color as your enamel. It's kind of like a yellowish color, and when that collects on the teeth, it's almost like a little coating and your teeth will look a little bit more yellow. So that needs to come off. So therefore, you just simply need to be brushing morning and nighttime. Another quick thing you can start to do, or if you already do it, then that's perfect. You need to be flossing as well. For me, if I don't floss, I have a couple little spaces in between my teeth. So again, food, or if I'm drinking tea, I don't really drink coffee, but if it was you drinking coffee, coffee really likes to get in between the cracks of your teeth. Same with tea. Any type of food that is going to stain your teeth will get in there. The toothbrush can't really get right in between the little cracks, so you do need to go in there with floss and remove if there's any bacteria or any staining in between there. So flossing is very important as well. All right, so if you are brushing twice a day and flossing once a day, and you're kind of wondering, well, what else can I do? So still in topic number 1, what you can do if you do really want to up your game with your teeth, you want them feeling extra clean and smooth, you can purchase, if it's in your budget, an electric toothbrush. This, I've been using electric toothbrush. I switched over for probably ever since I was in school, so maybe I've been using it for about 4 years, and 100% you feel a difference every single time. One here is called the Sonicare. This is, again, up on the top, but there's different features on here. Basically, this is like an investment, okay? Even if you have, you know, like your husband or your sister, whatever, you can share this base. There's nothing wrong with that. All you do is buy different heads and you pop it on, and basically even a whole family can use it. Like, so it is, I think it's around $200. I think you can get them a little cheaper on Amazon, but this lasts you like 2-3 years. There's a really good warranty on it. Just everything is so good about it. So if that's something you're interested in and you do have the budget for it, you want to up your game, you want your teeth to be feeling just that extra clean, I highly recommend an electric toothbrush. Tip number 2. So luckily I really don't have to worry about this because we are going to be talking about kind of drinks and food. So things that really stain your teeth, coffee and tea. I don't drink any of those, so that's again probably why my teeth really don't have much stain on them. When you drink coffee and tea, it just, again, adheres to the teeth. Plaque will build up. You will get that yellowish film on your teeth. If you drink a lot and you're not brushing it off, it'll even turn, sometimes it can turn like a blackish color or a dark brown. It'll collect in between the teeth, on the teeth, and behind the teeth. So what you can do, you don't have to stop drinking tea or coffee. Just get yourself a straw and drink with a straw, and then it's not constantly washing over the front of your teeth. That's all very, very simple. Number 3, we're going to dive into whitening products. So there's a couple different options for you. You can purchase some whitening toothpaste. Now, does whitening toothpaste really work? Not like 100%. It does work if you're gonna use it over a long period of time. You know, you probably won't start to see results until maybe a month. You gotta use it consistently. And is there really a lot of a whitening product in toothpaste? Not really. A little bit more abrasive than regular toothpaste, so it will kind of scratch off any stain. I'll put the toothpaste right here that I like to use. And again, it doesn't really matter what you choose. Even if you get one from like the dollar store, or if you get one at Shoppers or something, it's the same thing. It's all kind of doing the same thing. Another thing you can can do that you can buy over the counter is Crest White Strips. You can even use like the Life brand or kind of the no name brand. That will still work as well. I've used Crest White Strips way in the past before I'll show you what I use now, but Crest White Strips work very good. They have the same kind of chemical makeup that you will get in a dental office, just a lower dose. So I actually have custom trays to whiten my teeth. These are made at my dental office. If you are interested in this, just ask your dentist. They will take molds of your teeth, pour them up, and then you will get these cool little trays that I will show you how to load them up and what you do to whiten your teeth. This is what it looks like. You just take off the little tip, and then you kind of go in and just put a little drop right, I can't really show you, but a little drop, you just put it on the side of the little tray. There's like a little kind of pocket that you pop a little dot, and then you would just, I like to take a little towel, dry my teeth, and then you would just pop on the trays like so. Just like that. This, you leave them on for about an hour. You can go, you know, read a book, watch TV, make a YouTube video. You can do whatever you want. They kind of make you talk a little funny, but who cares, because you're just gonna wear them at home. But with any of these kind of products, like I said, just consult with your dentist or your dental hygienist, and they will tell you exactly what you need for your teeth. Tip number 4. So this one is kind of just more of a fun one, but I actually remember learning about this in school. So for some reason, I forget like the logic behind it. I think it's just to do with the contrast. But if you wear blue lipstick or any type of lipstick that has a blue undertone in it, I don't know if you've ever put on a blue lipstick, you should just try it if you have it and see how it makes your teeth look so much whiter. I just want to show you. Okay, so something like this, well, I guess it kind of turned into a purplish, but if you do have something, like I said, like look for lipsticks that say they have like a blue undertone in it, and it will give the appearance that your teeth are whiter. And last but not least, my final tip, tip number 5, is just a kind of a silly tip as well, but if you are looking just to whiten your teeth for pictures, maybe you can't afford to get some whitening products, no problem, you can use an app. There are, I believe there's free apps on here. I remember using an app a long time ago to kind of whiten my teeth if I felt like anything wasn't looking as bright. Facetune, you can whiten your teeth on there. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so here's my Facetune app. Here is a picture I just took, retouch. And then there should be a little thing that pops up. Where is it? Whiten. And then you can just zoom in. Now you don't want to do this too much because then it's going to look weird. I could probably do the bottom teeth as well. Let's see. There we go. If I needed to, like that. So before. Ooh, look at those bottoms. Before, after. Or no, after, before. That is it, guys. So these are my 5 ways, 5 tips on how to get nicer, whiter, sparkly, beautiful teeth. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you did learn something. If you have any questions at all about anything I said in this video, just comment below and I will get back to you. And that is it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. This is from the thrift store. The shirt is from the thrift store. That's probably why this gem is falling off. I don't care though. Who else shops at the thrift store? Like Value Village. Ooh, oh my gosh, all these jewels. I love shopping at Value Village.